The number one cause of power outages here, tree limbs coming down onto power lines. Strong wind gusts are expected with this storm, and Unitil and Eversource crews are ready. Transformers, poles, and covered wire stocked at all of Eversource's regional centers so they can respond quickly, but restoration itself may be a challenge.
Road conditions tomorrow could make travel for our crews a little bit difficult, so we do thank our customers for their patience in advance as our crews focus on safety as well.
And if we see those heavy winds, the bucket truck themselves have difficulty extending those arms.
They remind customers that if they do lose power, they should contact the company and not assume someone else has. And there are safety precautions to keep in mind.
Also, if you do have to use a generator, make sure that you always use it outdoor and keep it as far away from doors, windows, and vents as possible.
And while the snow will be light, a lot is expected, at times several inches an hour. So it's important to keep gas meters or vents outside clear of snow and ice.
Know where those are, keep them clean with a broom, don't kick them, don't hit them with a shovel. Just make sure you're making sure your vents stay clear so you don't have any gas buildup in your home.
And customers are told they should plan ahead in case they lose power and have things like flashlights, batteries, and cell phone chargers. And they're reminded to check on their neighbors. We're live in Hampton. Jennifer Prompton, WMUR News 9.